Okay, for 87, they want us to solve equations. So let's go down and solve these. So we have 3x minus 1 equals 4x plus 8 minus x. So the first thing we want to do is combine like terms on both sides of our equation. So I have a 4x and a minus negative 1x. So that's 3x plus 8. So now I could subtract 3x from both sides, right? Subtraction property of equality. And I get negative 1 equals 8. And whenever I get to a point like this, I have to look at the equation and ask myself, when does negative 1 ever equal 8? It never equals 8. So the answer to A would be no solution. Okay, for B, we have negative 10 plus 5x equals 7x minus 4. I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides. And I get negative 10 equals 2x minus 4. I'll add 4 to both sides, right? I'm going to do the opposites. So negative 10 and positive 4 is negative 6 equals 2x. I'll divide both sides by 2. Negative 3 equals x. So I would write the answer as x equals negative 3. We would never leave it as negative 3 equals x. Okay, let's do C, right? C. For equation C, we have 28 minus 6x plus 4 equals 30 minus 3x. So again, we're going to combine our like terms. So 28 and 4 is 32 minus 6x equals 30 minus 3x. Okay? Let's add 3x to both sides. And we get, I'm going to scroll up, we get 32 minus 3x, right? Negative 6x, positive 3x is negative 3x equals 30. I'll subtract 32 from both sides. Negative 3x equals negative 2. Divide both sides by negative 3. And I get x equals positive 2/3, right? Negative divided by negative is positive. And let's look at D, right? The question for D, I'll scroll after I write the question. 4x minus 1 equals 9x minus 1 minus 5x. Okay, so let's do this. So I'll combine my like terms, 9x minus 5x. So I get 4x minus 1 equals 9x minus 5x is 4x minus 1. And we can already see what's going to happen. If I subtract 4x from both sides, I get negative 1 equals negative 1. And I ask myself, when does negative 1 equal negative 1? And that's all the time, right? So the answer to this is all real numbers. And what that means is that any value you put in for x is going to make that equation true, right? Any value.